Embrace the challenge and master a new language. The journey of learning a new language, a journey that may seem daunting, but is undeniably rewarding. Learning a new language, be it for personal enrichment, travel, or career prospects, often presents itself as a formidable challenge. However, I'm here to tell you that these challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to personal growth and global understanding. You may be grappling with unfamiliar sounds, perplexing grammar rules, and the frustration of not immediately understanding every word. It's at this juncture that I implore you to remember the words of Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it's done. The very nature of facing difficulties head-on and persevering is what leads to personal transformation. Learning a new language teaches us valuable life skills such as patience, resilience, and adaptability. It requires us to leave our comfort zones, venture into the unknown, and embrace the beauty of a different culture. Imagine standing in a bustling market in a foreign country, confidently conversing with the locals, or connecting with people from diverse backgrounds in your own community. Language is not just a means of communication. It's a bridge that connects people and cultures. By learning a new language, you become a bridge builder, fostering understanding and empathy in an increasingly globalized world. But how do you keep yourself motivated when faced with the inevitable challenges of learning a new language? Here are a few strategies. First, set realistic goals. Break down your language learning journey into achievable milestones. Celebrate each small victory as they pave the way for bigger achievements. Immerse yourself. Immerse yourself in the language and culture. Watch movies, listen to music, and read books in the target language. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. 3. Practice, practice, and practice. Consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day to practice, and over time, you'll witness your progress. Embrace mistakes. Don't fear mistakes. Embrace them as valuable learning experiences. They are an integral part of the language learning process. Seek support. Connect with fellow language learners. Join language clubs or forums, and consider finding a mentor. Sharing your journey with others can be highly motivating. Visualize success. Traveling confidently and connecting with people from around the world. This mental imagery can be a powerful motivator. Remember, the path to learning a new language is not just about mastering words. It's about mastering yourself. It's about building resilience and discovering the boundless potential within you. As you embark on this remarkable journey, remind yourself that every difficulty you encounter is an opportunity for growth, a chance to rise above challenges and emerge as a stronger, more culturally enriched individual. In the word of the great author Maya Angelou, you may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. Embrace the challenge, immerse yourself in the language, and let your journey be a testament to your determination and courage. Learning a new language is not just a skill, it's a gift you give to yourself and the world. So let's begin this adventure with unwavering determination and an open heart. let us master the beauty of language and, in doing so, master the art of connection and understanding. The world is waiting for you to speak its language. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.